Dear friends, welcome to Akash School Education. In this video, we will learn about natural resources. The contents of this video are natural resources, earth resources, air, water and soil. What are natural resources? Natural resources are substances that exist naturally within the environment and are not made up by human beings. Natural resources can be classified into two main categories: 1. Renewable resources and 2. Non-renewable resources. Renewable resources are resources that never end and can grow again in a lifetime. For example, sunlight, air, water, plants, etc. Non-renewable resources are resources that can be used only once in a lifetime. For example, oil, natural gas and coal. Resources on the earth. Earth has several resources to sustain life. These are 1. Lithosphere, which is the outer layer of the earth. Soil, sand, rocks and stones form lithosphere. The second is hydrosphere. Hydrosphere is composed of all the water present on the earth. This includes oceans, rivers, lakes, etc. Almost 75% of the earth's surface is covered under water. Third, atmosphere. The cover of air that envelops the earth is referred to as atmosphere. It consists of gases which support life on earth and protects from an unfriendly environment of the outer space. Fourth is biosphere, the sphere where all the elements of the ecosystem exist and interact together. The diagram shows how atmosphere, hydrosphere and lithosphere interact to make biosphere. Components of biosphere. Biosphere has two major components, biotic and abiotic. All the living things on the earth form biotic component of biosphere, whereas abiotic components include all the non-living things such as soil, air, water, etc. The diagram shows constant interaction between the abiotic and biotic components of the biosphere. Now, we will discuss about abiotic components on the earth. Air. Air is important for the survival of all the living things. It is a mixture of various gases like nitrogen, oxygen, carbon dioxide, etc. These gases support life on the earth. The diagram shows the composition of air. Atmosphere and climate. Air, gases, dust, water vapor, etc. together make up the atmosphere. The atmosphere is a layer of air that envelops the earth. Atmosphere prevents sudden increase in the temperature during day and night. It slows down the escape of heat into the outer space. Thus, it keeps the temperature on the earth steady. Movement of air. Movement of air is caused by temperature or pressure differences. The air moves from high pressure region to low pressure region. In the diagram, we can see that in coastal areas during the daytime, the land gets heated faster than the sea. As hot air above the land rises up, cool air from the sea moves towards the land, and in the night it flows in the opposite direction. Rain. The phenomenon by which condensed water vapor precipitate on earth is called rain. Rain is a part of water cycle. Rain patterns are controlled by wind patterns. In India, rains are mostly brought by southwest and northeast monsoon winds. Rainwater accumulated in water bodies provides suitable conditions for many activities like hydroelectric power generation, irrigation, fishing and transportation. Water. The natural compound found on the earth which fulfills various demands of all the living things is water. Water is required for the processes of metabolism, photosynthesis, transportation of nutrients and germination. It is an important component of the water cycle. Water covers 75% of the total surface of the earth. Nowadays, water is getting polluted due to growing industries and population. Soil. The outermost layer of the earth contains soil. Soil is a mixture of various minerals which supply variety of nutrients that support different life forms. Formation of soil. Breaking down of rocks by physical, chemical and biological processes make soil. Sun, wind, water and living organisms also influence the formation of soil. Mineral riches in the soil. The outermost layer of the earth, called crust, contains important minerals which supply nutrients to living organisms. The minerals which are found in a particular soil depends upon the rock from which it is formed. Soil contains several organic matter. The dead and decayed organic matter called humus decides the soil structure. Top layer of soil is rich in humus, minerals and living organisms. Soil erosion and their sources. The removal of topmost layers of the soil is called soil erosion. Soil erosion is caused naturally by the actions of water and strong winds. Human activities like deforestation, overgrazing and excess cultivation also causes soil erosion. Prevention of soil erosion. Afforestation, control of overgrazing, growing of vegetation on bare land, etc. are some measures to prevent soil erosion. The following are a few questions for you. Please revise the concept by answering them on your own. Thank you. For queries and feedback, you can write to us at akashschoolproject@gmail.com.